Italy is a top destination for outdoor enthusiasts, offering breathtaking scenery and exhilarating experiences. Hiking, mountain biking, and water sports are among the many activities available in the country, which spans from the majestic Dolomites to the quaint Cinque Terre. Here's a closer look at some of Italy's most exciting outdoor experiences. Number 5. The Dolomites, Trentino and Veneto. The Dolomites are a magnificent mountain range located in northern Italy. It is well known for its dramatic peaks, breathtaking views, and an abundance of outdoor activities that draw travelers all year long. With more than 1,000 kilometers of trails that cater to both easy strolls and strenuous treks, the area becomes a hiking enthusiast paradise in the summer. Often called the classic Dolomites Trail, the Alta Via 1 is about 120 kilometers long and takes about 10 days to finish. This well-known path passes by alpine lakes, through scenic valleys, and provides breathtaking views of the rugged peaks, which include the well-known Tofane and Marmolada. An exciting climbing experience can be had on the Via Ferrata routes for those looking for an adrenaline rush. Even individuals with no prior climbing experience can safely navigate these protected climbing paths with cables and ladders, providing access to steep rock faces. Another well-liked activity in the Dolomites is mountain biking, with routes such as the Selleronda *** circuit providing an exhilarating ride through stunning scenery. Bikers can travel 4 mountain passes on this loop route, which offers breathtaking vistas and thrilling descents. The Dolomites become skiing haven come wintertime, with some of the world's top ski resorts, including Cortina d'Ampezzo and Val Gardena. All skill levels of skiers and snowboarders can find their ideal run on the more than 1,200 kilometers of ski slopes and diverse terrain. Especially well known is the Selleronda ski circuit, which lets skiers cover several valleys in a single day. Tandem paragliding gives people seeking a different viewpoint the opportunity to soar above the breathtaking landscape, giving them an adrenaline rush and mementos of the majestic mountains that they won't soon forget. The Dolomites are an experience that blends natural beauty and adventure. They are more than just a place to visit. Number 4. Aosta Valley. Situated amidst the Italian Alps, the Aosta Valley captivates outdoor enthusiasts, especially those who enjoy mountain exploration and winter sports. Several of Italy's top ski resorts, including Courmayeur and Sardinia, are located in this valley, which is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and rich cultural legacy. All skill levels of skiers and snowboarders can enjoy the wide variety of slopes available at these resorts, with Courmayeur offering access to the magnificent Mont Blanc Massif. With more than 150 kilometers of ski runs, guests can experience a range of terrains from easy beginner slopes to difficult runs for seasoned pros. After a day on the slopes, Courmayeur lively après ski scene is the ideal place to unwind with warm chalets and lively bars. The Aosta Valley becomes a hiker's dream come true in the summer, with trails winding through some of Italy's most beautiful scenery, including the Gran Paradiso National Park. Nature lovers will find paradise in this park, which is well known for its varied flora and fauna, which includes golden eagles, chamois, and ibex. Numerous hiking routes, from easy strolls to strenuous hikes like the climb to Gran Paradiso, the highest peak in all of Italy, are available in the park. Canyoning in the area's gorges and rivers offers an exciting combination of swimming in crystal clear waters, hiking, and climbing for thrill seekers. All skill levels can take advantage of guided tours, which let visitors safely explore the breathtaking canyons. In addition, paragliding provides an unforgettable way for visitors to experience the valley by enabling them to soar over the gorgeous alpine landscape and enjoy the breathtaking vistas from above. For outdoor enthusiasts, the Aosta Valley is a must-visit location because of its combination of summer hiking, winter sports, and exhilarating adventures. Number 3. Lombardy. Offering breathtaking lakes, undulating hills, and a mountainous landscape, Lombardy is an excellent location for outdoor pursuits that combine scenic views with thrilling experiences. One of the most well-known lakes in Italy, Lake Como, is bordered by quaint villages and has an abundance of water sports available, such as windsurfing, kayaking, and sailing. The lake's lush hillsides and glistening waters provide a picturesque setting for adventure and relaxation. In order to get a closer look at the area's natural beauty, visitors can rent boats to explore the lake's hidden coves and charming villages like Bellagio and Varenna. They can also opt for a guided kayak tour. Hiking opportunities abound in the nearby mountains, like the Gring and the Risegone, whose trails lead to stunning vistas and undiscovered lakes. The Pizzo dei Tre Signori Trail is a well-liked hiking route that provides expansive views of the surrounding valleys and the lake below. In addition to its rich biodiversity, the area is well known for being excellent for birdwatching and nature photography. Recognized for its sparkling wines, the Franciacorta wine region provides picturesque cycling routes that let riders explore vineyards and take in the stunning landscape. For those who would rather take a leisurely ride, the region is filled with picturesque villages and interesting historical sites. The surrounding ski resorts, like those in the Valtellina area, provide fantastic wintertime skiing and snowboarding experiences with slopes that accommodate all ability levels. Particularly well-liked are the ski resorts Bormio and Livigno, which are renowned for their immaculate slopes and lively après-ski scenes. Rock climbing is a popular activity on the cliffs surrounding Lake Como, drawing thrill-seekers who are willing to take on difficult routes that offer breathtaking views of the lake. For those looking for adventure and stunning scenery, Lombardy is the perfect destination thanks to its wide range of outdoor activities. Number 2. Sardinia. Outdoor enthusiasts looking for adventure in a breathtaking natural setting should check out Sardinia, a hidden gem known for its rugged coastline and mountainous interior. The island is home to some of Italy's most stunning hiking trails, especially in the Gennargentu National Park. Here, hikers can discover a variety of environments such as verdant rivers, rocky peaks, and dense forests. The Supramonte mountain range, which is located within the park, has a number of trails, including the strenuous trek to Punta La Marmora, Sardinia's highest peak. A must-do for serious hikers, this trek offers adventurers panoramic views of the island and beyond. Sardinia boasts an equally stunning coastline, its pristine waters ideal for an array of water sports. The stunning beaches of the Costa Smeralda are well known for their beauty and offer fantastic chances for windsurfing, scuba diving, and snorkeling, letting visitors explore the rich marine life and underwater scenery. A popular destination for boat tours and water sports, the La Maddalena Archipelago is a national park known for its gorgeous beaches and pristine waters. Hiking, climbing, and swimming in breathtaking gorges are all combined in the Supramonte region of the island for an exhilarating way for thrilling seekers to traverse its rugged terrain. Canyoning. Rock climbers from all over the world come to the cliffs around Calagano to take on difficult routes that offer stunning views of the sea. Number 1. Prosecco Hills, Veneto. The Prosecco Hills are a gorgeous region of rolling hills, quaint villages, and well-known vineyards that are situated in the Veneto region of northeastern Italy. Prosecco, the region's most famous sparkling wine, is well known throughout the world for its crisp, refreshing flavor and reasonable price. By taking guided tours of the vineyards and wineries, learning about the traditional production techniques, and tasting the various Prosecco styles, visitors can fully immerse themselves in the wine culture. The Prosecco Hills provide a multitude of hiking and cycling routes that meander through the vineyards and surrounding countryside for those who would rather explore the area on their own. All skill levels of cyclists can easily enjoy the picturesque routes, stopping at neighborhood trattorias for a refreshing spritz or a filling meal of pasta and grilled meats. This is made possible by the well-maintained trails and gentle slopes. More strenuous paths that lead to expansive vistas with views of the surrounding Dolomite Mountains and vineyards are available for hikers who want to push themselves. Beyond wine, the Prosecco Hills provide an insight into the rich cultural legacy of the Veneto region. Discover charming piazzas, medieval churches, and Renaissance palaces in historic towns like Valdobbiadene and Conegliano. The area is also well known for its mouthwatering food, which includes regional specialties like Radicchio di Treviso, a bitter chicory variety that goes well with the local wines. Italy offers countless chances for exhilarating outdoor experiences due to its diverse landscapes, which include Sardinia, the Aosta Valley, and the Dolomites. Whether you enjoy hiking, cycling, water sports, or winter sports, there's a fascinating place just waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.